Hey everybody, what is happening? I'm here to present you this 2009 Dodge Journey SXT 4-door color black. And I'm going to be conducting a tour of the Dodge Journey SXT. I'm going to start off, show you all the engine and some of the nice and the unique features on the interior and the exterior. And today I'm at Automart Corporation in Hanover, Massachusetts. So, with that said, let's get to it. Black color exterior and dark gray cloth interior with tan in the middle of the seats there. See, it's got 54,547 miles. Starter. Starts right up. Easy smooth steer. Parking brake right there. Very nice car. I went and popped the hazards as well as headlights. Automatic driver's side window. Now let's give you all a tour of the exterior. License plate lights are good. Got dual exhaust. Alright, let's go ahead and pop the hood here. It's got the 3.5 liter V6 engine. Gotta love the sound of that Journey. Here's the battery too. It's got a weird one. Alright, let's now give you all a tour of the interior. Alright, let's see how she sounds. Very nice. So radio. Get your auxiliary jack for your iPod. Climate control, different zones. Easy to use. Got different zones. Get your rear climate control. Got full power sunroof. Get an outlet down there if you want to charge your iPod or charge your cell phone. Get your cup holder. Full power driver's side window. Very nice. Alright, we'll cut the vehicle out there. We'll give you all a tour of the rest of the vehicle. As you can see, when you shut the vehicle out there, the radio will stay on until you open the door. The seats do have airbags. The power outlet in the back area, you got two up front, and you got and this one has an AC outlet in the back. As you can see, this car has airbags everywhere. This car has 8 airbags. You got the airbags on the seats. You got curtain airbags in the front and the rear. Your seats are very comfortable. As you can see, you got cup holders here. And this particular 2009 Dodge Journey SXT has 3rd row seats. You want to climb in there, you just pull this one up. So pushes one over here. You just climb in there. Very nice. It's got a cup holder on each side. Gonna get a power outlet over here. So flashlight right here. It's been my first Dodge Journey on my channel. So what I didn't think it was, I accidentally locked the doors and it set the alarm off. Well guys, I hope you all enjoyed this good tour of the 2009 Dodge Journey SXT. Make sure you stay tuned. There's a whole lot more where this came from. Take care guys.